more sessions if you want.
Ma'am, for weekly I want 3 classes.
Weekly, you want three
Four
classes,
classes.
4 classes.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll tell my teaching method. Okay.
Hmm.
Now you are done with your 11th, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So how was your physics basics?
Ma'am?
Is it good? How is your physics basics? Is it good?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll take chapter wise. After each chapter, we'll do test papers. Okay. So after finishing all the syllabus, we'll do the previous year question papers for the exam oriented things.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So like that will be my teaching method. So when you want to start the class,
Ma'am?
when you want me to start the class,
I'll talk with my mother and say.
okay. So how will be the I'm buying salary like per hour salary. So how it will be? How much you will pay
1,500.
per hour?
Monthly.
What?
Monthly, ma'am.
Monthly 1,500.
Or 2,000 something.
Monthly 1,500. Like I usually buy per hour. Per hour I'll buy 500, 600.
Okay.
Okay.
But the
So
teachers, another ma'am said she's okay with it, the payment.
okay. So per monthly 2,000 they said okay.
1,500, she said okay.
Okay. Okay. Mm, yeah, you can check and tell. Okay.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Any other questions? And
No, ma'am.
okay. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.